Earth Earthquake. 5.8 magnitude quake strikes near southern Mexico. A 5.8 magnitude earthquake struck near southern Mexico Monday morning, according to the U.S. Geological Survey. The quake, which occurred at 3:57 a.m. PT, struck 46 miles north of San Francisco del Mar Viejo, Oaxaca and 52.7 miles northwest of Salina Cruz, Oaxaca, the USGS said. The quake was centered approximately 240 miles from the Mexico-Guatemala border. There were no immediate reports of damage or injuries. The town of San Francisco Viejo is located in the municipality of San Francisco del Mar, in the state of Oaxaca. There are 885 inhabitants. San Francisco Viejo is 32 meters above sea level. In the town there are 483 men and 402 women. The ratio women per men is 0.832, and the fecundity rate is 3.41 children per woman. People from outside the state of Oaxaca account for 1.58% of the total population. 11.30% of the inhabitants are illiterate, 7.45% of the men, and 15.92% of the women. The average school enrollment ratio is 5.43, 6 within the men, and 4.80 within the women.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.
We